I would like to introduce Dynamax as the leading manufacturer of SAP flow technology worldwide, with over 25 years of overall experience in the field. Our main office is based out of Houston, Texas, and we also operate SapIP field services out of Fresno, California. We have worked to advance plant technologies that allow the user to have full control of the timing and quantity of irrigation based on sap flow from the roots to the shoots of the plant. We have improved the accuracy of monitoring to actual plant water usage by incorporating soil moisture sensors from Delta T devices, and also weather stations from GIL instruments into our sap flow systems. At Dynamax, the focus is on sensor plant technology that goes hand in hand with data management, helping people anticipate plant water use and strategize farming practices every season. Soil, plant, and weather feedback from sensors deployed in the field help optimize the operation of irrigation systems by knowing precisely how much water and nutrients the plants need at any given time. This ultimately leads to reduced water and energy use and maximizes production. A number of sensing technologies are used in precision agriculture, and they provide data that help growers monitor and optimize their crop yield. Dynamax has expanded on this technology to make it commercially available to growers. We manufacture and distribute many products and software that can be built into a customized system to meet management needs. Dynamax offers installation and management services to growers in the Central Valley region of California, with our support team located in Fresno. Our sensors have been expanded commercially around the United States and the world, and can be controlled remotely using sensor feedback. SapIP remote sensing takes measurements throughout the grower's field over time so that the grower can analyze conditions based on the data collected. The sensors can serve as an early warning system and allow the grower to counter disease or crop stress due to drought before it has a chance to spread widely. Overall, they can evaluate plant health, maximize yield, manage irrigation, and identify crop stress. Dynamax specializes in sap flow technology that measures the amount of heat absorbed by plants and the water movement through the sensor in real time using the SapIP wireless data logging system. The SapIP gateway can monitor up to 25 different nodes with 2 sap flow sensors each, and they can be located up to 5,000 feet from the gateway module. Using the wireless gateway, you can add from a selected range of sensors, including sap flow, infrared temperature, weather tracking, and soil moisture. Data collected can be fully analyzed using agrisensors.net, using real-time graphs and maps that can be displayed or downloaded from the website. Seen on screen is a map identifying the location of the field with the main SapIP gateway module and sensors. The maps can be expanded and marked as needed. You can also customize the SapIP Gateway portal to show the data from installed sensors, such as the water use, evapotranspiration, soil moisture, and crop type. If weather and ET are collected, then the overall stress factor of the plant can be calculated. This will allow for the management of plant stress and irrigation scheduling. Current crop use is compared to when the plants were fully watered and had no stress. A stress factor of 1.0 means no stress, whereas a stress factor of 0.5 means that the plants are using 50% as much water. The grower decides how much stress can be tolerated by the plant prior to irrigation and can calculate exact water use when the irrigation begins. IRT sensors are able to monitor the leaf temperature at a very accurate plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius over a wide range of ambient temperature of 0 to 60 degrees Celsius to measure the crop stress. It has 1 to 60 minute output timing and can store up to 1 million records. This data is retrieved using a desktop browser or your mobile device to identify the crop water stress index and the degree above non-stressed in plants. This data can be collected and observed using Wi-Fi within a 30-meter range. The Dynamax IRT infrared temperature sensors that are integrated into the SapIP gateway can be linked using a Zigbee radio frequency transceiver to monitor plants in real-time intervals using a standard wireless mesh networking system. Displayed in the picture is the SALH-IRT stress accumulator logger configuration. This mesh network system can monitor up to 25 wireless IRT sensors using 3 separate repeaters within a 300 to 500 meter transmission range, depending on the antenna gain to determine the line of sight. Each repeater can handle up to 9 IRT sensors that use Wi-Fi for data collection and monitoring. There are also analog and SDI-12 digital IRT sensor alternatives that can be connected to most data loggers using a coordinator. The IRT coordinator can be used in center pivot irrigation systems and can monitor up to 10 wireless IRT sensors directly, or up to 27 IRT sensors using 3 repeaters. The coordinator can be connected to a PC or an irrigation controller that allows for the collection of files to be transferred with the IRT Watcher software. You can control the system, collect data, and save files, which can then be exported for crop water stress index calculations. Dynamax and the USDA have researched and discovered a correlation between plant stress levels and a rise in leaf temperature. The SapIP-IRT infrared temperature sensor systems provide an accurate means of testing the leaf temperature to measure the crop stress and control irrigation. We would like to thank you for your time in viewing this presentation. For any questions or product inquiries, please visit our website at www.dynamax.com or give us a call at 1-800-896-7108. Thank you.